All Mr. Men and Little Misses, please report to the dance floor.
How can we call ourselves the Dillydale Ghost Removal Service if we can't find a single ghost to remove?
Is that a riddle?
No, just a cold, hard fact. Ha ha!
It's burned out. I'll go get a new one.
No, don't. Poopity poop.
Ha ha! Miss Naughty.
Yes, Mr. Persnickety.
Ha ha!
Oh! Yeah, run over it again while you're at it. Okay, I'm not happy. What a day.
Welcome back to the Peace and Tranquility Channel.
Ha ha!
That was so exciting!
But you didn't watch.
Oh, I never watch anything scary or anything that has to do with corn.
That's all the time.
Ha ha!
Mr. Messy!
Ha ha!
This is no game. This is the real thing.
Ha ha!
Exactly is it that a bean taster does?
We taste the beans.
How interesting.
So you... Ha ha!
I didn't know that was possible. Great. Something else to worry about.
Ha ha!
Oh, this is the last time I invite you over to watch television. No.
Ha ha!
Picnics are for idiots.
Ha ha!
Never have to leave the car.
You mean I am trapped in here with you?
Now, the most important thing to remember whenever you go to the car wash is to close your windows good and tight. That's where power windows come in handy. Oh, dear. I can't close the windows, and there's no turning back.
Ha ha!
Keep the craft area clean and tidy, Mr. Messy. Moving on. Mr. Strong, what did you bring to work on today?
I thought I'd jazz up my bowling ball.
Ah, yes. The timeless art of covering a bowling ball with paint and glitter.
Ha ha!
Cardboard tubes and buttons! I love buttons! Love them, love them, love them!
Ha ha!
Dillydale Park, there are some statues of cows to be decorated.
Small!
These cows are cheap! Ha ha!
I think that wall needs a big old stuffed fish.
Ha ha!
I already tried that, you nincompoop. You are going to have to use your tools.
I am the handyman, not you!
What have you done?
Job no!
Now!
Do not tell me what to do!
Making sense.
It is not polite to listen to other people's conversations!
When you do something right.
Why, it's better than the circus! Ha ha!
Now leave me alone.
Why, that's just a raw potato, Mr. Rude. The customer wants it cooked and mashed.
There. I sat on it.
Oh, that's disgusting, Mr. Rude.
Ha ha! How about this? Who put that there?
Burn, it's wonderful to know that you take such good care of your patients.
Ha ha!
Is Mr. Happy your captain speaking? Oh!
Can I help you, Miss Sunshine?
Should I be insulted?
Whoa!
for such a lovely flight.
Song about the sun, under the sun.
Such a cloudy day in Dillydale. Why has the sun gone and left me? Why has the sun gone and left me? Shine on, Mr. Old Sun, just keep shining.
Other words,
This is Mr. Stubborn at Dillydale Ground Control. What is your problem?
Oh, thank goodness! Oh, this is Mr. Bump. I was out here fixing the satellite when my fellow astronauts left me behind. Now I'm stranded in space.
You are not stranded in space.
Well, actually, I am. Ow! And now I'm being pelted by asteroids. Whoa! Big asteroids! Ow! Oh!
You are mistaken.
Are you sure that's not distracting you from your driving? Not at all. Polkas give me energy to focus. Well, they give me a headache. Oh, crooked cucumbers. There.
you take a care of these.
My radio!
I didn't know you were making pizza. I'll be right over.
Oh, the misery. People up in the morning.
To me, must be something stuck in your pipes. Let's see if we can unstick it.
What are you doing?
Nope, nothing stuck in here. Oh, pick.
Yep. And I know a thing or two about pretzels.
Well, nothing in these pipes either.
Please find whatever's causing this goo and fat.
I'm sprucing up. Phew, this is heavy.
No, don't set it down. Too heavy.
That's why I never travel without my fanny pack. Never know when you're gonna need us coming from that direction. I think. Yep, nothing to worry about.
Oh, that wasn't very helpful. And not a moment to
The juice of one pineapple. Ta-da! Hey! This wasn't part of the deal!
Would it be okay if, as a prisoner, I screamed? Coming through! Hey, everybody! I just thought of a new song. The Sad Tale of Brave Mr. Strong.
What? Wait your turn, Mr. Grumpy.
I'm also the mayor of Dillydale. But I don't like to brag.
I'd hate to think you ruined my perfectly good mood for nothing. So, Mr. Rude, do you have what it takes to be a delivery person for Mr. Happy's Fruit Company?
I don't know, Mr. Happy. What does it take?
A driver's license, a love of fruit, and a bubbly personality.
I have all three and more.
Then you're hired. And I know some lucky people. Howdy, neighbor. Yeah. What can I do for you, Mr. Happy? Hello, Mr. Grumpy. Do you think I could borrow a cup of sugar? Oh, now what? So sorry to disturb you again, Mr. Grumpy, but would you happen to have 2 eggs? Anything? Thank you for the eggs and milk. Oh. Hello. Hello, Mr. Grumpy. Oh, listen, Happy. I don't give a hoot about your cake. Right now, I'm trying to be sorry. I won't let another thing come between you and your bean loaf. Thank you. Goodbye. Well, Mr. Happy, I hope you're satisfied. Oh, it's you, Miss Sunshine.
Yes, it is. I was making this delicious chili macaroni casserole for dinner, and I made an extra one by mistake. So I thought maybe you'd like to have it.
Whoa, that's very kind of you. Whoa there, Miss Sunshine. We mustn't disturb Mr. Grumpy. Now, hold on. I promise not to let anything come between him and his bean loaf.
Oh, then would you like this chili macaroni casserole, Mr. Happy?
Wonderful! Wonderful! We'll have it with my cake after I show you.
More words have ever been spoken. I have to admit, once you get used to it up here, it's not so scary.
Ha ha! You fell for it!
I can hear